morning, kids. Hello, how are you? Today we will be doing the subject English, topic 4.4 story time. What do you see? So, this is a story from Mahabharat. Arjun, the prince, his brothers, and cousins were being trained in archery and warcraft by the great teacher Dronacharya. Once Dronacharya called the students together and he wanted to take the test of the archery skills. So this all you have come to know in your previous explanation of the lesson. Today I will be doing the revision of this lesson. As you know, children, your exams are approaching, so we will be doing the revision of this lesson. So children, pay attention, and we will be doing the textbook revision first, and then later on we will see the workbook. So children, you just open your textbook and you will see, find out the following from the story. Children, we will continue with the textbook page 54, two names of persons. Arjun, Dronacharya. Name of a sport, archery. Name of two things, bow, arrow. Names of three things seen in the nature, sky, cloud, sun. Again we will repeat, children. Two names of persons, Arjun, Dronacharya. Name of a sport, archery. Names of two things, bow, arrow. Names of three things seen in the nature, sky, cloud, sun. Now children, pay attention. Just come, we will see textbook page number 55. Who said the following? Guruji, I see the sky, clouds and the sun. Who said to whom, children? Bhim. You are not ready to shoot yet, Dronacharya. Who said to whom? Dronacharya said. Guruji, I can see only the eye of the wooden bird. Who said, children? Arjun. Again we will repeat, children. Guruji, I see the sky, the clouds and the sun. Who said to whom? Who said these following sentences? Bhim. You are not ready to shoot yet. Who said? Dronacharya. Guruji, I can see only the eye of the wooden bird. Who said, children? Arjun. Now next question. Unscramble the following words, find them in the story and underline them. 5 words are there. We have to unscramble it. Archery, wooden, bow, arrow, shoot. Next question. Look at the following pictures. Tell the names of these sports person. Match the names with the pictures. Football, cricket, kabaddi, chess, badminton. So children, you will see the textbook page number 59. As you already we did with who said the following, we did. Then we did unscramble the following words, and now we will see the match the pictures with the names. Football, cricket, kabaddi, chess, badminton, archery, hockey, swimming. So children, again we will repeat who said the following. Guruji, I see the sky, the clouds and the sun. Bhim. You are not ready to shoot yet. Who said, children? Dronacharya. Guruji, I can see only the eye of the wooden bird. Yes, come on children. Who said? Arjun. Next question. Unscramble the following words. Archery, wooden, bow, arrow, shoot. Once again we will repeat, children. Archery, wooden, bow, arrow, shoot. Now we will be doing the workbook page number Workbook page number 39. So children, my first question is, who was Dronacharya? Dronacharya was the teacher of Arjun, his brothers and his cousins. Come on children, repeat. Dronacharya was the teacher of Arjun, his brothers and his cousins. What were Arjun and his cousins being trained in? Arjun and his cousins were being trained in archery and warcraft. Again repeat children, Arjun and his cousins were being trained in archery and warcraft. Next, Dronacharya. What did Dronacharya ask the students to do? Dronacharya asked the students to look at the wooden bird on the tree and hit its eye with an arrow. Come on children, repeat. Dronacharya asked the students to look at the wooden bird on the tree and hit its eye with an arrow. Next question. Why did Dronacharya not let Bhim and Yudhishthir shoot the wooden bird? Dronacharya did not let Bhim and Yudhishthir shoot the wooden bird because they were not ready to shoot. Yes, come on children, repeat. Dronacharya did not let Bhim and Yudhishthir shoot at the wooden bird because they were not ready to shoot. My last question. What did Arjun see? Arjun only saw the eye of the wooden bird. Come on children, repeat. Arjun only saw the eye of the wooden bird. Now children, we will be doing the 4.5 language study. So children, as you know, you can see the picture here. The teacher is searching the book. You can see children. Yes. The teacher is searching the books and she wants to complete her project. So the position words, it is called as position words. The position words are here, on the table, near the TV, behind the bag, under the chair, in my purse. So she found her English book to complete her project in the purse. So what are position words, children? Words that show the position are position words. Position words are also called as prepositions. So children, we will be doing the textbook page number 58. The textbook page number, children, we will be doing, that is page number 58. Look at the pictures, filling the blanks. The peacock is sitting dash the tree. What is the position of the peacock? On the tree. What is the next sentence? The man is standing dash the car, beside the car. What is the position of the man? He is standing beside the car. There is water. What is the position of the water in the jar? So dash the jar, in the jar. The car is parked dash the tree. So the car is under the tree. You see the position of the car, children, it is under the tree. The rabbit is hiding dash the tree, behind the tree. What is the position of the rabbit, children? Behind the tree. You can also see I have drawn two tables. One is for apple and one second picture is for the ball. You can see the position of the apple. The apple is on the table, and what is the position of the ball? It is under the table. So we will be doing the workbook page number, children. My workbook page number, that is 42. So we will be doing the workbook page number, that is 42. See, the boy is sleeping on the bed and you can see some pictures here. The boy is sleeping dash the bed, and what is the position of the boy? On the bed. The toys are dash the cupboard. See, just see properly observe the picture properly, children. You can see the cupboard is there, and you can see some toys are there in the cupboard. So you have to say the position of the toys. The toys are dash the cupboard, in the cupboard. The study table is dash the chair, behind the chair. So you can see the position of the study table, children. The globe is, see the position of the globe, children. It is under the clock. The teddy bear, see the position of the teddy bear is near the bell. So children, best of luck for your exam. Thank you.